Hello everyone. Today's tech news is: Number 1. NASA delays Artemis I's launch for a second time. A hydrogen leak caused another delay. Number 2. Large hydrogen leak foils NASA's schedule for Artemis I mission. Engineers are working through their options for the SLS rocket. Number 3. The iPhone 14 Pro could bring back the old battery percentage indicator. The side-by-side battery icon and percentage may make a comeback. Number 4. Alleged Google Pixel 7 Pro appears in unboxing video ahead of launch. Google's fall event is around the corner. Number 5. Some Dell XPS 13 Plus screens have a glue problem. The company is proactively reaching out to impacted customers. Number 6. The Last of Us PS5 remake makes it feel like a modern game. It might not be strictly necessary, but it's still nice. The original The Last of Us first debuted on the PS3 in 2013 and was remastered for the PS4 just a year later. But here we are, less than a decade from its debut, and the game is already being remade. The newly christened The Last of Us Part 1 takes that original experience, the one that helped make Naughty Dog one of gaming's most revered studios, and makes it feel comfortably at home on the PS5. In fact, the new version makes the game look and play a lot like its controversial sequel. In some ways, The Last of Us Part 1 seems superfluous, given the relatively young age of the original, which is still very accessible. It's not like the PS4 remaster doesn't hold up. But after spending some time with the remake, I have to say, it's also the best way to experience this classic. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.